Guys, thanks for stopping in, and in this video we're going to show you how to put a beautiful video in your home page in Shopify. Quick and easy. I want to try to keep this fast. I watched a bunch of videos and it took me through, like, they never finished the video, but that's neither here nor there. So let's get started. First things first. So what I do is I'm going to leave this code right here in my link. And what you're going to do is get an MP4 video and put it into Shopify, and you're going to paste the link right here. Very simple. There's no coding. There's no nothing. Okay, let's do it. Okay, first thing I do is I went to Adobe and I got this video right here. I downloaded it and I have it on my desktop. Second, now if you don't have Adobe and you want to just get a video that you have, you can go to MP Converter, free convert. Go here, log in, choose your file, and just put your video up here and it'll convert it to an MP4. Once you have your MP4 video, you go to your Shopify store. Okay, let's get in there. And what you do is you go two options, A, to setting, and find your files. But my files are in my front page. So I go here, content, I go to files, and I go to upload. And by the way, I just uploaded it here. This is where I just uploaded, but I'm going to show you. I want to walk you through the whole video because nobody shows how to do this. Next, I take that, I uploaded it. Once it's uploaded, I go here and I copy this link. Okay? Next, I go to the code that I left you and I paste it right here. One here and one there. Next, I copy this and I copy it. Now I log into my store, okay? Online, I go to customize. Real simple. I go to add section. I go to HTML. HTML. I take the code and I put it right here. And there you go. Now what I do is I take this part out right here. See where it says style video? So take it up over here, style video, and up to auto. So take this piece out, and there you have it. Let's call it Fashion Week. And I'll take that out. And that's it, guys. Pow. I'm going to hit save. I'm going to go back to my store. And I'm going to take this and I'm going to move it up. I'll probably move it up to above the newsletter. Hit save. Pow. There you go, guys. I hope this video helps. It took me a long time to figure this out. I'm going to refresh my page. And here we go. Here's the video. What you want to do is, if you wanted to make it your banner, you would just take it and just move it up. This custom HTML, take this, go all the way up to the front and put it under this one. Okay? And let's get rid of this one. I actually like it, so I'm going to leave it. But I just wanted to show you how to make it your home page. You would just put it up one more box. Let's show you. Slide it up. And there you go. Hit save. Let's refresh the page. And pow, there's your head banner. Guys, thanks for stopping in. My name is Ray from Empire Digital, and again, I'll leave this code. It's very, very simple. All you do is paste your, one more time, we're going to take you through it, okay? You got your MP4 video. Here's my MP4 video right here, okay? Next, I go to my content. I go to files. I uploaded it twice, so I'm going to take this out. Delete file. You take this, copy this link, copy, and then you go to this code I left you, and you paste it right here. And I'll leave the code in the bottom. Thanks, guys, for stopping in, and have a great day, and cut. If you like the video, please hit the like button.